Finally, in our goals section, we have yearly goals. These are the bigger picture and longer term goals you can have throughout your year. Feel free to be ambitious and aim high, because this is the chance for you to really have in mind where you want to arrive. But you can also take steps to break that down into more practical increments in your quarterly and monthly goals. While, these big goals can seem challenging, they're pretty straightforward. You only need a couple for each section of your business and your life to really help guide you and your actions throughout the year. So to try making a system that reflects that simplicity and importance, we kept it a pretty minimalistic section. Here, just like monthly goals, we have a button. Every time you have a new year, press the button and then write in the year. Here we have 2025 coming up. And it's our chance to look at what do we want, how do we want to personally grow? How do we want to grow creatively? What are our financial goals? And how do we want our business to grow? These are all chances to look individually at the areas of our business and also look kind of holistically. How does one goal reach to another and build off of each other? Once you finish a goal, just toggle, mark it off as complete or close the tab and work on the next year. Say this could be 2024, coming up 2026, and feel free to get a head start. If you have a multi-year plan, start getting ahead. But otherwise, have fun and feel free to be creative. You can always come in and change the colors and start adding different colors to represent different areas of your life, of your business. And yeah, good luck on the upcoming year. And we hope that this template is helpful in helping you achieve those goals.